young explorers and wildlife enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the magnificent world of tigers. Tigers are like the regal rulers of the jungle, and they've captivated our imagination for generations. Are you ready for this thrilling wildlife adventure? Fantastic! Join us for the next 5 minutes as we discover the amazing world of tigers. Our tiger adventure begins with an introduction to these incredible big cats. Tigers are like the monarchs of the wild. There are several tiger subspecies, such as the Bengal tiger, Siberian tiger, and Sumatran tiger, each with its unique features and habitats. Now, let's explore the habitats of tigers. Tigers are like jungle royalty, preferring dense forests, grasslands, and mangroves. They're excellent swimmers and can often be found near water sources where they hunt for prey. Time to learn about the tiger diet. Tigers are like top predators in their ecosystems. They're carnivores and primarily hunt animals like deer, wild boar, and even fish. Their powerful bodies and stealthy hunting skills make them successful predators. Let's uncover the intriguing behavior of tigers. Tigers are like enigmatic creatures, known for their solitary nature. They're territorial and mark their territory with scent markings. Cubs stay with their mothers for about 2 years before venturing out on their own. Our journey concludes with the importance of tiger conservation. Tigers are like the guardians of our forests, but they're endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. We can help protect these majestic creatures by supporting conservation efforts. And there you have it, our amazing journey through the world of tigers. Tigers are like symbols of the wild spirit, and they teach us about the beauty and challenges of nature. Whether it's the grace of a Bengal tiger, the resilience of a Siberian tiger, or the uniqueness of a Sumatran tiger, each one plays a vital role in our ecosystem. Remember, young explorers and wildlife enthusiasts, tigers are a symbol of the wild spirit that lives in all of us. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting educational adventures with us. Thank you for joining us on this wild adventure today, my young friends. Until next time, keep the spirit of the wilderness alive in your hearts, keep connecting with nature, and keep cherishing the remarkable tigers of our world. Goodbye, young explorers and wildlife enthusiasts.